Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa Cricket Association has rolled out a power-packed coaches lineup for the summer, with the major appointment being 1983 World Cup star Balwinder Singh Sandhu as the director of cricket coaching. With the summer vacations already on, youngsters are learning lessons in cricket from NCA-appointed coaches at the Porvorim Academy complex. GCA President Diana Narvekar believes Sandhu's arrival in Goan cricket could lift a state cricketer into Indian team. Sandhu will serve Goan cricket for at least 2 years.
After the executive meeting on Wednesday afternoon, GCA President Diana Narvekar disclosed the appointment of Sandhu and other recent developments. Sandhu has a lot of experience with state teams.
He has passed distinction the level 3 coaching course from National Cricket Academy of BCCI and has done a lot of work in Madhya Pradesh as a head coach of Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association, Baroda Cricket Association, Orissa Cricket Association, Maharashtra cricket team. So we feel that by having all these coaches, this is highest number of coaches ever came to Goa in any summer camp, and perhaps with Balwinder Singh Sandhu heading as a new director cricket coaching for men's section, perhaps our dream of having one player to play for India will be fulfilled.
Narvekar highlighted the progress made by the GCA in all aspects of the game during the present 3-year term, which ends later this month.
100 players participated in selection process. 40. These are all new. They are totally new players. Under 16, 113 players participated. Under 14, 270 players participated in selection process. And for the first time in women's side, 75 players are shortlisted for residential camp at GCA Academy. NCA has also sent 2 coaches. One is Mr. Nandan Fadnavis, Mumbai Cricket Association, and Krishna Rao, Rajasthan Cricket Association, for under 16 and under 14 camp respectively to run at the Zonal Cricket Academy. Raghuram Bhatt and Padmakar Shivalkar are also back for under 14 and 16 camp. Similarly, LCA has given an open offer to us that any boy between age of 17 and 22 can participate in a
We
have not participated in BCCI tournament. There will be open selection for them. This year, the feather in the cap of GCA with Amulya Pandrekar and Vedant Naik of Goa Cricket Association have been selected for under 16 national camp.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
In the background of government's inquiry into Goa Cricket Association's affairs, a defiant GCA President Diana Narvekar is preparing for upcoming elections. The present 3-year term of GCA boss ends in June, as last elections were held in June 2009. The elections will be held in the last week of this month or the next month for the 2012 to 2015 Executive Committee. Narvekar terms the inquiry as a rumor, as he has not received official notice, and says he is ready for general body's verdict. A total of 134 clubs have voting rights.
Really, full committee members, we are 15 of us, except Mrs. Kishori has not come. We have decided to have an election of Goa Cricket Association maybe in the last week or the first week of June. So our election is normally is due in June. Last time also it was held in June. So we are just finalizing the program. So that can be also a news as far as this body is concerned. So we will also go for election. If somebody wants to talk about it, general body is there, they can throw us out, elect a new body. That can be my answer if there is a notice. Let us face it. Whoever wants to come and say, yes, we are there or we are not there, they can contest it. Hmm?
The strength of love is the
I have also heard the rumor. That is why I am giving you a straight answer. No. This rumor of what you have been talking about, some committees being appointed or something. So I am giving them a chance. Come on, you stand for election.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.